Hello everyone and welcome to the UFC book. In this video we are gonna talk about how much each fighter gets paid this weekend at UFC Fight Night Rodriguez vs Waterson. Let's talk about the bonuses first. So fight of the night on this card was Gregor Gillespie vs Diego Ferreira, and two fighters who received performance of the night were Alex Morono and Carlston Harris. It was Carlston's debut fight in UFC and he earned a way better amount than many fighters by submitting his opponent in round 1 via Anaconda choke. He earned a total of $74,000 for this fight, $10,000 to show plus 10 to win plus $50,000 performance of the night bonus and $4,000 fight week incentive pay. Kickoff of the main card was initially Amanda Ribas vs Angela Hill, but their bout was scrapped just hours before the event started due to Ribas testing positive for COVID-19. So the fight was removed from the card and a middleweight fight from prelims kicked off the show. In that fight, Phil Hobbs made a total of $44,000 by winning the fight via decision, while his opponent Kyle Daukaus could make only $18,000. The second match was a lightweight bout between Gregor Gillespie vs Diego Ferreira, where Ferreira missed his weight from 4.5 pounds. As you know, the fighter who missed weight is fined 20% of their match purse, 30% if the difference is bigger, and the fine amount is awarded to their opponent for agreeing to the fight. So it was a lucky night for Gregor Gillespie, who made a total of $181.6 thousand by winning the fight via TKO in the second round. $30,000 to fight, $30,000 to win, $15,600 from Ferreira for missing weight, $6,000 fight week incentive pay, and $100,000 fight of the night bonus. Diego Ferreira made a total of $47.4 thousand. Ferreira was disqualified for the fight of the night bonus due to missing weight, $52,000 to show including 30% fine for missing weight plus $11,000 incentive pay. By the way, next fight was a heavyweight bout between Maurice Greene and Marcos something. And if you watch this fight, you will have to agree with me that it was a hell of a fight and should become the fight of the year. So let's not waste much time on it. De Lima won the fight by unanimous decision and earned a total of $75,000, while Maurice Greene earned a total of $38,000. Next fight was a welterweight bout between Neil Magny vs Jeff Neal. Neil Magny got a unanimous decision victory and earned a total of $191,000. $85,000 to show, $85,000 to win, and $25,000 incentive pay. Jeff Neal lost the fight and earned a total of $40,000, $34,000 to show and $6,000 was incentive pay. Co-main event was also a welterweight bout between Donald Cerrone vs Alex Morono. Alex Morono won the fight via TKO in the first round and earned a total of $161,000. $50,000 to show, $50,000 win bonus, $50,000 performance of the night bonus plus $11,000 fight week incentive pay. On the other hand, Donald Cerrone, who is on a 5-fight losing streak now and not won a single fight since May 2019, earned more than any fighter. He made a total of $221,000. $200,000 to show and $21,000 fight week incentive pay. By the way, I know that you know the reason why he earned most that night, so tell me in the comments. Now if we talk about the main event, it was a women's flyweight division bout between Marina Rodriguez vs Michelle Waterson. Marina Rodriguez earned a total of $86,000 by winning the fight by a unanimous decision. $40,000 to show, $40,000 to win, and $6,000 was her incentive pay. On the other hand, Michelle Waterson earned a total of $76,000, $65,000 to fight plus $11,000 fight week incentive pay. Now if you like the details, you do know what you're supposed to do. You're gonna get some amazing experience here. You'll get these details every week plus UFC fighters, career highlights and much more. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want.